Have you ever wondered why some people get hacked while others stay safe online? The truth is, most cyber attacks don't happen because hackers are smarter. They happen because people make simple mistakes every day. The good news is that you don't need to be a cybersecurity expert to protect yourself. By learning a few basic habits, you can make your online life much safer. Let's begin. Today, almost everything we do happens online. We use our phones for banking, we shop online, we send emails, we use social media, we store important files in the cloud. If someone gets access to these accounts, they can steal your personal information, money, or even your identity. That's why cybersecurity is so important. Cybersecurity means protecting your devices, accounts, and personal information from hackers, viruses, scams, and other online threats. The first habit is using strong passwords. Many people still use easy passwords like 123456 or password. These can be guessed within seconds. Instead, create a long password using letters, numbers, and special symbols. Most importantly, use a different password for every important account. If one account gets hacked, your other accounts will still stay safe. Now let's move to another important habit. Think before you click. Hackers often send fake emails or messages that look real. They may tell you that you won a prize, or that your account needs immediate verification. Their goal is to trick you into clicking a dangerous link or sharing your personal information. Before clicking any link, stop for a moment and ask yourself, do I trust this sender? If you're not sure, visit the official website directly instead of clicking the link. That one habit can protect you from many online scams. Another simple habit is keeping your devices updated. Many people ignore software updates because they seem unimportant. But updates often fix security problems that hackers try to exploit. Keeping your phone, laptop, and apps updated helps protect your devices from known threats. Now here's one of the easiest ways to improve your security. Turn on two-factor authentication. After entering your password, you'll need a verification code sent to your phone. This extra step adds strong protection. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't sign in. Also, back up your important files. If your device is lost, damaged, or infected with malware, your files will stay safe in cloud storage or on an external drive. Let's review. Use strong passwords. Think before clicking links. Keep your devices updated. Turn on two-factor authentication. Back up your important files. Cybersecurity is for everyone, not just IT professionals. Safe online habits help protect your data every day. Which tip will you use first? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Future Skill Hub for more practical videos on cybersecurity, AI, business, career success, professional communication, productivity, and future skills. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.